Hello everyone, I'm Zulfikar and today I'm going to solve the questions from the course outline of ICATS Mathematics Contest for grade 3 and 4. And the topics which we will cover in this video are 4 arithmetic operations and rounding. 4 arithmetic operations. Question number 1, you purchased 4 eggs 4 times. What is the total number of eggs you purchased? Option A is 16, option B is 4,444, option C is 44 and option D is 40. So it's a simple question of multiplication. If we have bought 4 eggs 4 times, so we will simply multiply 4 by 4, that is equal to 16. So the total number of eggs will be 16, that is our option A. Question number 2, if 445 is added to me, I would become 800. Who am I? Option A is 355, option B is 365, option C is 455 and option D is 465. So to find out the answer here, we can make an equation that what will be added into 445 that the answer is equal to 800. We can do mental math here or otherwise we can take inverse of addition, that is subtraction. So if we take out 445 out of 800, the remaining number is 355. So our number is 355, which is our option C. Question number 3, Captain Cook has 720 boxes of gold to share between 9 pirates. How many boxes will each pirate get if they are divided equally? Option A is 60, option B is 70, option C is 80 and option D is 90. So it's a question of division that we have to divide 720 boxes of gold into 9 pirates. So we will see that where does 72 come in the table of 9? Like 9, what's our 72? It's 8. So we will write 8 in the answer and the 0 will come as it is because we cannot balance it. So each pirate will get 80 boxes of gold. So we will select option C here. Where does 7? Question number 4. A petri dish originally contained 529 bacteria. A scientist let the bacteria grow and now there are 829 of them. After the bacteria grew, the scientist decided to split them into 2 dishes. With one dish having 500 bacteria, how many bacteria are in the other dish? Option A is 325, option B is 324, option C is 328 and option D is 329. So originally there were 524 bacteria, but after some time the number of bacteria is 829. Now, in one petri dish there are 500 bacteria. We have to find out that how many bacteria are in the other dish. To find that out, we will simply subtract 500 out of 829. The remaining number is 329. So we will choose option D here. Question number 5. In a flat complex, there are 3 windows in each flat and 4 flats on each floor. How many windows are there on 2 floors? Option A is 22, option B is 24, option C is 26 and option D is 28. To find that out, we will multiply the number of windows by number of flats and the answer will be multiplied by the number of windows. So there are 3 windows, 4 flats and 2 floors. We can multiply all 3 numbers together, like 3 fours are 12 and 12 twos are 24. So we will select option B here. Question number 6, Sam bought 2 boxes of staples, 3 rolls of white tape and 5 rolls of clear tape. How many meters of tape did Sam buy in all? Option A is 39, option B is 47, option C is 48 and option D is there is not enough information to solve this problem. So as we read the question carefully, we cannot find any information about the length of the tape. So we can select option D here. There is not enough information to solve this problem. Question number 7. A university bookstore ordered 32 shipments of notebooks. There were 8 notebooks in each shipment. About how many notebooks did the bookstore order in all? Choose the better estimate. Option A is 657. Option B is 256. Option C is 386. And option D is 956. So to find that out, we can multiply 32 by 8. So here, if we make a sum, 8 2s are 16, so 6 will come down and 1 will be given as carry. Then 8 3s are 24 and 24 plus 1 is equal to 25. It means that the number is 256. So we will select option B here. Now we will do questions related to rounding. Question number 1. Sana scored 387 points in a game. What is her score rounded to the nearest 100? Option A is 300, option B is 380, option C is 390, and option D is 400. So here, first of all, we will see that where 300 lies. It lies between 300 and 400. So now we will see that is it before 350 or after 350? As it is after 350, so we will say that 387 will be rounded towards 400. So we will select option D here. Question number 2. A factory produced 768 toys on Monday and 843 toys on Tuesday. About how many toys did the factory make in total? Round both numbers to the nearest 100 before adding. Option A is 1500, option B is 1600, option C is 1700, and option D is 1800. So now we have to round the numbers and add them. So our first number is 768. We will see where does it lie. It lies between 700 and 800. So we will see that is it before 750 or after 750. As it is after 750, so 768 will be rounded to 800. Now, our next number is 843. It lies between 800 and 900, but it comes before 850. So it will be rounded towards 800. Now we have to add these two numbers. So 800 plus 800 is equal to 1600. So our answer is option B here. Question number 3. Which number will round to 250 when rounded to the nearest tens? Option A is 241. First of all, we will see where does it lie. It lies between 240 and 250. And the half of these two numbers is 245. As 241 comes before the half, which is 245, it means we will round 241 towards the first number, which is 240. Option B is 244, which lies between 240 and 250. And the half is 245. As 244 comes before 245, it means we will round 244 towards 240. Now, option A and B are incorrect, so we will move towards our option C, that is 255. It lies between 250 and 260, and the half is 255. As 255 is exactly the half of the given number, so we will round this number towards the bigger side, which is 260. So still option C is not correct. So option D is 246. It lies between 240 and 250, and the half is 245. So we will see that where does 246 comes. It comes after 245. So it means we will round 246 towards the bigger number, which is 250. And that is our correct answer. 246 will be rounded to 250 when rounded to the nearest tens. Question number 4. Milan City has a population of 55,634. What is the population of the city rounded to the nearest 100? Option A is 60,000, option B is 55,600, option C is 55,000, and option D is 55,700. So as the number 55,634, it lies between 55,600 and 55,700. Now we will see what is the half of these two numbers. It's 55,650. As 55,634 lies before 55,650, so we will round our original number towards 55,600. So we will select option B here. The population of the city rounded to the nearest hundred is 55,600. Question number 5. The table below shows the number of tickets for the school play that were sold each day. On which day does the number of tickets sold round to 300? When rounded to the nearest hundred, option A is Thursday, option B is Friday, option C is Saturday, and option D is Sunday. So our table is given to us. So now we have to round all the numbers to the nearest hundreds to find out the answer. If we round 238 to the nearest hundreds, it will be 200. Now the next number is 361, as it lies between 300 and 400, and it's bigger than 350. So we will round it to 400. Then it's 249. It lies between 200 and 300, and it comes before 250. So we will round it to 200. 328 lies between 300 and 400, and it comes before 350. So we will round this number to 300. So we can say on Sunday, the number of tickets sold round to 300. So that is our option D. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for